Multiple operators. Now we are going to use multiple comparison operators in a single example. Example number 5. A equals to 10,000, B equals to 10,000, C equals to 10,001. If A is less than C and B equals to C, then take the print of B equals to C. If A is not equal to B or C is less than A, then take the print of A is not equal to B. If C is less than B and A equals to B, then take the print of A equals to B. Else, print of the end. When you run it, you will get the end. This is the final answer. The end will be the final answer. Look, we have multiple operators here, multiple comparison operators. Less than, equal to, not equal to, less than, equal to. So we have multiple comparison operators. Look, and are the logical operators. These are not comparison operators. Comparison operators are less than, equal to, not equal to. These are the comparison operators. So we have used comparison operators multiple times here. There are three variables A, B, and C. A equals to 10,000, B equals to 10,000, and C equals to 10,001. The program will check each and every choice. We have 4 choices here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they will be checked step by step, and program will only execute that condition which is satisfied. So in the very first condition, we have 2 statements, 2 terms. A is less than C and B equals to C. What is A? A is 10,000, C is 10,001. A is less than C, which means that 10,000 is less than 10,001. Yes, it is true. So the first term is satisfied, it is true. But what about the second one? The second one says B equals to C. What is B? B is 10,000, C is 10,001. So 10,000 is not equal to 10,001. Therefore, B is not equal to C. The second term is wrong. It is not correct. It is not satisfied. For the AND operator, we already know that both of the terms, both of the statements must be satisfied, must be true. Only then it will be executed. But since one term is true, we have no issue with the first. But the second term is not satisfied. It is not true. Therefore, this whole condition or all the condition is not satisfied. The program will ignore it and will jump to the second option, which is elif. In the elif, again, we have 2 statements. One is A is not equal to B. Second one is C is less than A. A is 10,000. B is 10,000. So A equals to B actually. A is not equal to B is wrong. 10,000 equals to 10,000. A equals to B. So the first term, the first statement is wrong. It is not satisfied. The second one says C is less than A. C is 10,001 and A is 10,000. So 10,000 is greater than 1,000. Therefore, C is greater than A, not less than A. Both of the terms are not satisfied. Both of the terms are wrong. For the R, whether both of the terms are correct or at least one term must be satisfied. But since both of the terms are not satisfied, therefore overall the second condition is not satisfied. The program will ignore it and will jump to the third one. For the third one, which is elif, again we have 2 statements. C is less than B, A equals to B. C is 10,001 and B is 10,000. C is greater than B, not less than B, not less than B. Therefore, the first term is not satisfied. It is wrong. The second one says A equals to B. A is 10,000, B is 10,000. Yes. So 10,000 equals to 10,000. The second term is satisfied. It is true. But we know that for the AND operator, both of the terms, both of the statements must be satisfied. They must be true. Since one is true, we have no issue with the second one, but we have problem with the first one, where C is greater than B, not less than B, not less than B, greater than B. 10,001 is greater than 10,000. The first one is not satisfied. Therefore, overall, the third condition is not satisfied. The program will ignore it and will jump to the last, to the fourth condition, to the fourth statement, which is else. For the else, we have print of the end, the end. So the program will print this line, the end. This will be the final answer, the final output at the end. So we got the right answer in the last choice, which is the else one. It is the fourth choice. The rest of the above 3 choices were not satisfied. So there we got the answer, the end.